Hello my dear students, welcome back in online class of St. Joseph's Academy, Mariamnagar, Ghaziabad. Myself Rajni Rani, your maths teacher. Our today's topic is subtraction using tens and ones. In the previous classes, you already studied about subtraction. In this class, I am going to explain you some more questions based on our today's topic. Yes students, this is main point. First, subtract the ones, then the tens. Yes students. First of all, we will start our question from ones side. After ones, we will subtract our tens digits. Let's start with our exercise. Yes, our first exercise is subtract. And our first question, that is question A, and the digits are, students, now I am reading my digits one sentence together, and the digits are 3838 minus 6. Okay students, now I am going to read our digits ones part and second part. First of all, ones. 8 minus 6. Okay students, in ones part we have 8 minus 6. Now in tens part, students, in this question we have single digit in tens. Okay, now we will start our question. First of all, our digits are 8 minus 6. Okay students, so for this question we will draw 8 lines. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now, from in these lines we will cut our 6 lines. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we will count our remaining lines. Okay, and the lines are 1 and 2. Okay, and then we will write our answer in ones part. Okay, now students, here I told you na, in tens part we have only single digit, that is 3, and so we will write our 3 same to same in tens part. Okay, because there is no any number for subtraction, so in tens part we will write 3 same to same. Now students, our answer is 38 minus 6 is equals to 3 to 32. Okay, now we will move for question number 2. Now we will move on question number B, and the digits are, now students, first of all I am reading tens and ones together. Now digits are 5, 7, 57 and 5. Now students, now I am going to read our ones digits, and the digits are 7 minus 5. Okay beta, we will subtract 7 minus 5. Okay, now in tens part we have only single digit, that is 5. Okay students, now we will subtract our ones part. Students, I told you na, we will start our question with ones. Okay, so here we will subtract first of all our ones digits. Okay, now for this question we will draw 7 lines. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now we have to cut our 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we will count our remaining lines, and the lines are 1 and 2. It means 7 minus 5, answer is 2, and we will write in our ones part. Now students, once again we have single tens. Okay, there is no any other number for subtraction, so we will write 5 same to same in answer place. So students, our answer is 57 minus 5. Answer is 5 to 52. Okay, now our next question is question number C. Okay students, now first of all I am going to read our tens and ones together, and the digits are 4, 6, 46. Okay, and 3. Yes students, now I am going to read our ones and tens part. So ones digits are 6 minus 3. Okay, once again in tens part we have single digit, and the digit is 4. Okay, let's start our subtraction. For this question we will use our brain method. Okay students, for this question we will use our brain method, that is we will keep 6 in our mind and we will count 3 number back. Okay, yes, now we will keep first of all 6 in our mind. Let's start. We will count 6 first of all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay students, now we will count back 3 numbers. Let's start. 5, 4 and 3. Okay students, when we cut 6 from 3, our answer is 3. Now we will use our line method for this question. Now we will draw 6 lines. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now students, we have to cut 3 lines from 6 lines. Let's start. 1, 2, 3. Now we will count our remaining lines, and the lines are 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now we will write remaining number, means our answer, that is 3, we will write in the ones part. Okay, now we will, yes students, here once again we have single digit in tens. Here once again we have single digit in tens, so we will write 4 same to same, because students here we are not having any other number for subtraction, so in tens part we will write 4 same to same. So students, our answer is, yes, now I am reading ones and tens together. 46 minus 3, answer 4, 3, 43. Now we will move on question number D, and the digits are, now I am going to read tens and ones together, and the digits are 2 to 22. Okay, and 2. Yes students, now I am going to read our ones part, and the digits are 2 minus 2. Okay, again in tens part we have single digit, that is 2. Okay, now we will subtract our first of all ones part. So students, for this question we will draw 2 lines, 1 and 2. Now students, we have to cut 2 lines, 1 and 2. Okay, it means our both lines will cut it. Okay, both lines is cutted, so our answer is 0. Okay students, and we will write in our answer part. Students, and one more basic rule is there, number minus same number is equals to 0. But when we reduce number from same number, like here we are reducing 2 from 2, or means subtracting 2 from 2, so we get 0. Okay, now we will move on tens part. Students, once again we have single tens. There is no any other digit in tens part, so we will write 2 same to same in answer part, means. Okay beta, yes, so our answer is 22 minus 2 is equals to 2020. Okay. Now we will move. Now we will move on question number 2, that is once again subtraction. And in this part, our first question, question number A, and the digits are, first of all I will read tens and ones together, that is 2, 8, 28 minus 7. Okay students, now I am going to read our tens and ones part. So let's start with our ones part. And the digits are 8 minus 7. And in tens part we have single 2. Okay students, now first of all we will subtract our ones part. It means 8 minus 7. Okay. Now we will subtract our 8 minus 7. For this question we will draw 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now we will cut 7 lines. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And 1 line is remaining. Okay. So we will write 1 in our answer part. Okay. Now we will move on tens part. Okay students, now we will subtract our tens part. But again here we have single digit in tens part. So we will write here our answer same to same in the tens part, means 2. Okay students, so our answer is 28 minus 7, answer is 2, 121. Now we will move on our second question, that is question number B, and the digits are 7, 7, 77 minus 3. Okay, 77 minus 3. Now I am going to read our ones part and tens part. Okay, that is in ones part is digits are 7 minus 3. Okay, now in tens part we have only single 7. Okay, so first of all we will start our question with ones part. So, now we will reduce, means subtract 7 minus 3. Students, reduce means also subtraction. Okay, yes. Now 7 minus 3. For this question we will draw 7 lines. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. Now students, here we will cut 3 lines from the 7 lines. Let's start. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Let's count our remaining lines. Let's start. 1, 2, 3 and 4. It means 7 minus 3 is 4. Okay students, it means 7 minus 3, answer 4. Now students, once again in tens part we have single digit. Okay, in tens part we have single digit, that is 7, and we will write 7 same to same. Yes, so 77 minus 3, answer 7, 4, 74. Now we will move on question number C. In question number C, the digits are, first of all I am going to read ones and tens together, that is 6, 8, 68. Okay, minus 1, 7, 17. Yes, now I am going to read our ones part and tens part, and the ones part is 8 minus 7. Okay, and the tens part is 6 minus 1. So first of all we will start our subtraction from ones part. So for this solution or for this question we will draw 8 lines. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now we will cut 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now we will count remaining lines and the line is 1. Okay, it means 8 minus 7 is 1. Okay, and we will write in answer side. Now we will move on tens part. So for this question we will subtract 6 minus 1. Okay, for this question we will draw 6 lines. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we will cut our one line. Yes. Now we will count our remaining lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means 6 minus 1 answer is 5. Okay. So students, here 68 minus 17 answer is 5151. Okay students. Once again, 68 minus 1717. So answer is 5151. Now we will move on our question number D. For this question, I am going to read our digits together, means tens and ones. 5, 55 minus 4, 44. Yes. Now I am going to read our ones part and tens part. In ones part, digits are 5 minus 4. Okay. And in tens part, we have same digit 5 minus 4. Okay. Now, first of all, we will start our sum with ones part. So, here we will subtract 5 minus 4. For this question, we will draw 5 lines. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now, we will cut our 4 lines. Let's start. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we will count our remaining line and the line is 1. Okay, and we will write in the answer part. Now we will move on our tens part. Again students, we have, first of all we will draw 5 lines. Okay. Now and we will reduce 4 lines or we will cut 4 lines. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we will cut 4 lines. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we will count remaining line and the line is 1. So we will write in answer part. Okay students. So our answer is, now I am reading ones and tens together. Answer is 1, 1, 11. Okay, it means 55 minus 44. Answer is 11. Okay students, once again 5, 55 minus 4, 44. Answer is 1, 1, 11. Now homework time. Complete page number 63 in your maths book. Revise all the sums. Thank you students. Have a nice day.